How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So what I'm going to talk about today is I'm going to pick a question from a subscriber. I'm looking at it right now. Then we're going to go over it. Then at the very end, I will tell you what my thoughts are and how to get rid of a hickey the quickest. For my fitness guys that are watching this, again, this is a fitness channel, 100% agree, but this is a very popular topic on my channel. A lot of comments from subscribers, so this is why I'm making it. Hopefully there's no hard feelings, and hopefully you guys still support me and like the video. With that being said, let's start. This subscriber wants to know, can you use peanut butter or jam on a hickey? Now, this is not a peanut butter and jam sandwich, my friend, but that's kind of cool. Let's just say it did work. Let's just say peanut butter worked. Let's say jam worked. Anything that does work, any like weird kind of stuff that you apply to your body, doesn't matter what it is. It could be like chapstick or A535, bananas, fruits, vegetables, meat or protein. It doesn't matter what you put on your skin. If it even does work, I have no idea if this would work. I highly doubt it would. Even if it did work, it'd probably take at least a day or two to get rid of it. At least a day or two. In my opinion, that's way too long to be... Oh, there's Sparky. You guys see Sparky? Sparky in the background. That's way too long to be waiting. When I got a hickey, I wanted it gone immediately, instantly. So, a way to get rid of it in 2 minutes, and again, I say this in all my hickey videos. I always say it at the end of the video. Again, we talk about the subscriber's question, then I will tell you my way of doing it. So if you watched any of my previous videos, you know how to do it already, but for the new people watching, to get rid of a hickey, all you do is you get a coin or a spoon and you rub the area for 2 minutes. 90% of the people, it's going to be gone in 2 minutes. For the other people where it's not gone in 2 minutes, do it again for 5 minutes. What's going to happen after you do it for 2 minutes and 5 minutes is going to be your neck's going to be really, really red. That's fine. The redness goes away in about 5-10 minutes. But when the redness goes away, so does the hickey. That's all a hickey is a bruise. To get rid of it, just create blood flow. Super, super easy. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.